ReluxCAD for Revit. In complex buildings, it is possible that certain rooms have sloping or round ceilings. In order to also take these rooms into account and calculate them accurately, the latest version of ReluxCAD for Revit exports all types of roof shapes correctly to ReluxDesktop. The selected rooms can be exported in the same way as before, but complex ceilings now appear in their full form in ReluxDesktop. After the export, the 3D view in ReluxDesktop shows the model with all objects, materials and the laboriously constructed roof. A look at the structure of the model shows that the export from Revit creates a mesh that makes it possible to design all kinds of spatial shapes.